Hey guys. Okay, so when it comes to these weekly videos, I'm normally bursting with ideas. Like, I find it really, really hard to narrow it down and to pick just one topic to talk about. This week, however, I've actually had quite the opposite problem. Like, every time I've thought of a topic, I've sort of sat there and gone, you know what, I'm just not feeling it. Just can't be bothered talking about that topic. Awkward, right? So I thought, okay, let's take it back to basics. Why do I do these videos? Well, one of the key reasons is that I kind of want to spread awareness about changes or evolutions that are occurring within the planning world so that people can proactively amend their designs before they get to me, so we avoid tears down the track. Because as I always like to say, ain't nobody got time for that. So I thought, okay, if we approach this week's video from that sort of mindset, what's something that's causing clients a lot of grief at the moment, a lot of tears? Like for like exemption. That's it, baby. That's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm feeling this topic. So what do you need to know? Well, in super simple terms, there is an exemption that applies to traditional building character overlay properties. This exemption allows you to replace features. When I say features, I'm talking like window hoods, windows, just small little things like that, like for like. Now, in the past, we used to say if you're walking down the street or if you're standing in the neighbour's property and you're looking at the existing side by side with the proposed and they both look exactly the same to the average person, then it's like for like. Unfortunately, we received clarification last year at some stage from council to say that like for like means the same proportion, so size, style, and now materials. So that means if you're going ripping out, let's say a timber window, you've got to replace it with a timber window. You can't replace it with a metal or aluminium window. Unfortunately, that doesn't work anymore these days. So I think that probably covers off everything I wanted to get across. Moral of the story is that the like-for-like exemption still applies, but it's become a little bit more refined, let's just say, in terms of what it covers. It now means you need to use the same materials. So please keep that in mind because it has been leading to some tears recently. Okay. I think that covers everything I need to say. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane Town Planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.